Okay, so today we are going to learn how to jump rope in 5 steps. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is the size of the jump rope. Okay, you're going to stand on the jump rope and it should come up to about your armpits. It's a little bit small for me, but it should come up to about your armpits. Okay, all right. Now next, if it's too big, you could roll your hands around it and grab it kind of like this, so that it's a little bit smaller if you need to. Okay, but it should be up to right about your armpits, and if it is, you're good. All right. So first, we're going to practice the pop. Okay. So the pop, you're going to stand with your feet, about shoulder width apart, and you're going to just pop so that you jump up so that your toes just come off the ground a little bit. Okay, let's do it 5 times. Pop 1, pop 2, pop 3, pop 4, pop 5. Okay, notice how I'm not jumping too high. All right, that's too high. A pop is just a little bit. Okay. Now, next thing we're going to do is practice tap, tap, turn. All right, so you're going to put the jump rope behind you. Okay, and you're going to do tap. Well, actually, before you do that, let's talk about how our hands are. The top of the jump rope should be facing the ceiling. All right, the ends of the jump rope should be facing the ceiling, and your thumbs should be facing down. Okay, so you should be holding like that. Thumbs facing down, tops of the jump rope facing the ceiling. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step through it, and I'm going to do tap, tap, turn. So I'm going to tap the ends of the jump rope, tap, tap, turn, wait. Okay. Then I step through and I do it again. Let's do it 5 times. Ready? Tap, tap, turn, wait. Okay. Do it again. Tap, tap, turn, wait. Notice how my shoulders and elbows are down. You really don't want to be all the way up here because it's hard to control it and keep your momentum going. Okay, so you want to have your elbows down up at your side. Okay, so tap, tap, turn, wait. And again, tap, tap, turn, wait. One more time. Tap, tap, turn, wait. All right, next thing we're going to do is tap, tap, turn, catch. All right, so we put it behind us, tap, tap, turn, and I catch it with my toes. I just kind of lift my toes up a little bit, keep my heels on the ground, and I catch it. So 5 times. Ready? Tap, tap, turn, catch it with your toes. Okay, let's do it again. Tap, tap, turn, catch it with your toes. Tap, tap, turn, catch it with your toes. 2 more times. Tap, tap, turn, catch. Okay, one more time. Tap, tap, turn, catch. Okay? All right. Good job. Now you're ready to kind of put it all together. So we're going to do tap, tap, turn, pop. Okay, ready? And tap, tap, turn, pop. And then wait. Okay? So remember, the pop is just jumping up a little bit so that your toes come off the ground. Okay, so it's tap, tap, turn, pop. All right, when you see the rope come in front of you, jump over it. Tap, tap, turn, pop. Again, tap, tap, turn, pop. 2 more times. Tap, tap, turn, pop. Tap, tap, turn, pop. All right, now, this time you're going to try to go 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times. All right, try to keep going with a bounce. Tap, tap, turn, pop, bounce. Okay, so tap, tap, turn, pop, and bounce. Pop and bounce, and then keep it going. See if you can keep swinging it. After you pop, you bounce a little bit and keep going. See how many times you can do it. All right, and if you mess up or you get tired, start again. Tap, tap, turn, pop, bounce. And then eventually, if you get really good, you're going to be able to go super fast. But it takes a lot of practice. Okay? The more you practice, the better you get. Jump roping is one of the greatest total body workouts you can get because it's great for your legs and your arms and your heart. Okay? And it's a great cardio workout and a lot of fun.